In the vast spectrum of the plant kingdom, green is the currency of life. Chlorophyll is the engine of survival. But then there is Acer palmatum dissectum, the red dragon. It stands in the garden like a wound, a cascading fountain of crimson and purple that refuses to conform. To the casual observer, it is just a beautiful Japanese maple. But to a botanist, this tree is a biological paradox. Why would a plant spend so much energy producing red pigment instead of green energy? This is not just a tree. It is a masterpiece of selective breeding, a living sculpture frozen in a state of perpetual autumn. To the naked eye, it is just nature. But look closer. It is engineering. It is economics. It is survival. Welcome to the hidden side of biology. This is modern botany. Here is the uncomfortable truth. The red dragon does not exist in the wild. You cannot walk into a forest in Japan and find one growing from a seed. Every red dragon you see is, in a way, an artificial construct. Look closely at the base of the trunk. Do you see the scar? This is the graft union. Below this line, the roots belong to a strong, common green maple. Above this line, the tree is a clone. Because this specific mutation is too weak to survive on its own roots, we must perform surgery. We stitch the beautiful, fragile genetics of the dragon onto the strong, wild roots of a commoner. It is a botanical Frankenstein, two souls living in one body. But why the color? Why red? The secret lies in a molecule called anthocyanin. In most plants, this pigment appears only in death, during the fall. But the red dragon is mutated to pump this pigment 24/7. Think of it as sunscreen. These lace-like leaves are incredibly delicate. The red pigment acts as a shield, absorbing dangerous UV radiation and protecting the tree's fragile DNA. While other Japanese maples fade to green in the summer heat, the red dragon is chemically engineered to hold its blood-red hue even in the deepest shade. It is a triumph of biochemistry. But beauty is not the only thing this tree produces. There is an invisible conversation happening right now between the Acer palmatum and the atmosphere. New research reveals a startling connection. As our planet warms, these trees are reacting. Scientists found that for every single degree Celsius of global warming, the annual monoterpene emissions from this species increase by approximately 15%. It's a silent alarm system. In a warmer world, the red dragon wakes up weeks earlier in the spring and stays active longer into the autumn, pumping out these volatile compounds to survive the heat. It is beautiful, yes, but it is also a biological barometer measuring the fever of the planet. The red dragon teaches us that botany is not always about survival of the fittest. Sometimes it is about the survival of the most beautiful. It is a testament to human obsession, our desire to take a fleeting genetic glitch and immortalize it forever in our gardens.